In our time today, emails are becoming a huge part of our society. They are used every day for work, school, games, casual messaging, and many more. But what if I told you that you can earn money just by reading emails? Just open and read one email, you have $1. Open and read another email, another dollar. Want to know how to do it? Then you should watch this video. You do not have to worry about anything before you start doing this. This method is 100% free. No investments nor initial payments are needed to start this. No experience is needed. All you need is an email account and you are good to go. And most of all, you can do this from anywhere in the world. This method is worldwide. Even if you are in the Philippines, Myanmar, Bangladesh, or even in America, you can do this method without restrictions. Watch till the end of this video to learn the step-by-step process of how you can earn money just by reading emails. So what are you waiting for? Let's start earning. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. So to start off, the website that we are going to use today is Volutic. Volutic is a website that you can use to earn money just by opening and reading emails. With Volutic, you can earn money just by reading emails wherever you are, from your PC, tablet, or mobile phone. So you do not necessarily need a computer. Just a mobile phone or tablet is enough to start earning. As of today, this website has over 20,000 total members, over 400 members online, and over 5,000 payouts completed. So many people are using this website, and you can use it too. So how does Volutic work? If we look at this section, this gives you a brief summary of how you can earn money on this website. You just simply open emails sent to you by Volutic, read the mail, click the ad, and stay for the predetermined amount of time on the ad, and you can get paid immediately. Advertisers use Volutic to buy email newsletters. And then Volutic sends the newsletter to you and shares the revenue. And the best part is, you get 90% of the amount paid by the advertisers. In addition to earning money by reading emails, you can also earn money here by referring other people. They pay up to 6 levels down as seen in this section. You can earn 100% to 50% just by referring people. And right at this moment, if the person you refer uses this website to earn money by reading emails and earns $1, you too get paid $1. So what are you waiting for? Start referring now. In this video, we will be showing you how to register for an account on this website and a simple strategy on how you can refer other people to join this website. Watch till the end to find out. Before we create an account, some of you might be wondering, can you really earn money just by doing something simple? To answer that question, on the website there is a section called Payment Proofs. We can just go to this section and look at all the transactions of real people cashing out their earnings on this website. As you can see here, these payouts are recent and you can see which country they are from and what type of payment method they used. You can see that people that use this website are from different countries, so you do not need to worry if this website will work in your country or not. Now that this cleared all your doubts, let's start earning. First, we need to create an account. To create an account, you just click the green register button on the main page. Once you do that, then you just need to fill out this form. You just need to put your desired username, your email address, and password. And if someone referred this website to you, you can put that in the refer section. This step is optional and you do not need to do that if nobody referred you to this. Once everything has been filled up, you can just check these boxes and now you can click the register button. Now after the registration, the website will show you an important message. Note that you must read this because if you don't, then you can't start earning. It says here that to make sure that you receive all emails from Volutic, you should add this email address to your contacts list. Because if you don't add it to your contacts list, there's a high chance that the paid emails that they send you will be redirected to your email spam folder and you can miss out on tons of opportunities to earn money. Once you do that, you can now log into your account. Once you're logged in, you can now see your dashboard. You can see your referral link and the total money that you earned in this account. You can also deposit, transfer, or withdraw your earnings in the dashboard. If we go to the Statistics tab and go to the Leaderboards, we can see some of the people who earned a lot of money using this website. You can see that this person has earned almost $2,000 using this account. We can also learn about the top 10 countries that use this website. As we can see here, India has the most number of users with almost 6,000 users. And you can also have your name up there in the top 10 earners list. All you have to do is follow the step-by-step guide in this video and you are on your way to becoming the #1 earner on this website. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. If you do not have an email account yet, creating one is super easy to do. Just search on Google, Gmail, and click on this link, and you can now create your very own Gmail account. You just need to fill up this form, and now you have an email account. It's that simple. You can log into your Gmail account and start reading emails. One of the emails that you might receive is this email. Usually the emails that they send are marketing campaigns such as discounts, special offers, and such. Now once you receive an email, what you have to do is click the star icon on the area right here. And once you do that, you can reply to the email by clicking here. Once you click reply, just say something like, "I have received an email" or "I have read the email." This will let Volutic know that you are active, and in return, they will give you more emails to earn money. They reward active users, so do these two things and you can earn more. The requirement for you to earn money is to visit their website and stay there for a moment, usually for 30 seconds. Just stay on the website for 30 seconds and you can earn money. Another way we can earn more money is by referring people. One website that we can use is Tendry.com. Tendry is a forum that people use to share methods of how to make money online and many more things. They have different categories such as money making, business and marketing, financial management, and many more. If you go to the search option right here and search for Volutic, you can see people post topics about how they earn money using this website and help people get started by sharing their referral link. This is another thing that we can do to earn extra money while reading emails. We can create a forum post in the money-making category forum about Volutic. You can tell them how Volutic works and copy and paste your referral link at the end of the post so that if people are interested in trying the website, they can just click your referral link and they will be redirected to the website where they will sign up for an account and put you as the referrer. Once they do that, then you can earn money instantly. We have shown you how you can earn money just by reading emails. It is super simple to do and won't take much of your time. So what are you waiting for? Start today and earn lots and lots of money. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.